Hi, Georgeann, here at the Rotary Beach Dog Park in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. It's a great place to bring your dogs. We have 3 dog parks in the city. If you're looking to buy and move here, we're super dog friendly. Give me a call, Georgeann Hoover, 310-890-1562. Thank you.